So today I am starting some broccoli seeds to sprout. I got a sprout kit from True Leaf Market. The kit did not include the jar. The mason jar was mine. It included the mesh lid and the sprouting seeds, which are most of the cost. Broccoli sprouting seeds are a bit on the higher end, expensive side compared to other sprouts like alfalfa and the bean sprouts. So first thing I've done is 2 tablespoons of the seeds have been sitting for the past 4 hours in water. And so now I'm just going to pour it over the sink, pour out the water, and then I'm going to rinse the seeds. So put some water in, swish it around a bit, and drain that water off. I'm kind of tilting it back and forth because the seeds kind of block the holes a little bit. So then I'm just laying, my dish drainer is in this side of the sink, and I'm just going to lay the broccoli seeds in the dish drainer. So broccoli can be a bit temperamental compared to other sprouts, so they do need to get rinsed several times a day, and just rinsed and then turned upside down to drain. And they take a bit longer also. So broccoli sprouts 5 to 7 days. So we will come back when they start sprouting so we can have a look at them. All right, so I started the broccoli seed sprouts on Monday. Today is Thursday, so they're growing nicely. I'm still rinsing them 3 times a day. I have to shake them a little bit. They're kind of all clumping around the top there. So 3 times a day I fill the jar. I give the jar some swish to kind of get the water moving around the sprouts, and then I just let the water drain out. So there's a few that haven't sprouted yet. I'm not sure, the reason behind that, but they still need a couple more days. So here are our sprouts. Today is Saturday. We started them on Monday, so they are complete. They're actually growing a little bit out of the top right there, but they are ready to eat. So sprouts are great in salads, potato salad, wraps. I love them in wraps. You can use them in a juicer. They're great on like a grilled cheese sandwich, and if you eat eggs, they're really great on just scrambled eggs or like an egg sandwich. So if you got some good information, give this video a like, and you can check out some more information in our description box. So thank you for watching, and you have a wonderful day.